Let's march. My dear students, this topic is going to bear in the examinations for 5 stars. So I request every one of you to kindly pay attention to this topic in detail. So Kailash Satyarthi, okay, this lesson is given by Kailash Satyarthi, the person who won Nobel Peace Prize of 2014. So number one, you have to remember very well, Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian who was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize of 2014. He had addressed this speech on the eve of Nobel Prize distribution ceremony. This is important to be considered. Number second, who is he? He is an Indian children's rights and education advocate and an activist against child labor. He founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan in 1980 and has acted to protect the rights of more than 83,000 children across 144 countries. In the PR question, we'll be writing only 2 points out of this. An Indian children's rights and education advocate and activist against child labor, that's point number 1. And point number 2 is honored with Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 as a part of our revision for PR question. Okay, now I will be reading with the lesson, okay, and I'll be giving you the hints as well. So, this topic has been categorized or divided into 3 main parts. Part 1, then there is part 2 and part 3 as well. Each and every part has got a distinct meaning in it. Let's read. My dear children of the world, your majesties, your royal highnesses, excellencies, distinguished members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee, dear brother Tom Harkin, brothers and sisters, and my dear daughter Malala. Now, as he's addressing to someone, Mr. Kailash Satyarthi is giving a speech at an honorary presentation where he's been awarded with a Nobel Peace Prize. So it is very normal that Kailash Satyarthi is addressing with my dear children of the world, is trying to be or trying to give salutation with majesties, royal highnesses, excellencies and everything. So kindly mark it as a part of our salutations, which are an important part for our speech. That's number 1. Number 2. Now, who is daughter Malala over here? Malala Yousafzai is not nobody, but she is the one who was also honored with a Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 along with Kailash Satyarthi. Now, what was the work done by the Malala? She was the one who killed minimum 3 to 4 terrorists in trying to protect her home and her family members. So this was genuinely an act of bravery, and I believe this act of bravery we supported because today, obviously, we believe is 8th of March. So 8th of March 03 is believed to be celebrated as Women's Day, and we respect women empowerment. So let's respect Malala for her greatness or the great deeds that she has done. From this podium of peace and humanity, what is the meaning of podium? Podium is stage. Podium means stage of peace and humanity. I am deeply honored to recite a mantra from the ancient texts of wisdom, Vedas. This mantra carries a prayer, an aspiration, and a resolve that the potential to liberate humanity from all man-made crises. Liberate is free humanity. Okay, now this part 1 is talking about what? This part 1 talks about 2 important things. Okay, it talks about number 1. It talks about spiritual understanding. किसके बारे में बात करता है? Talks about spiritual understanding, or you can say spiritual knowledge. Okay, number 1. Number 2, it talks about that we need to free ourselves. We need to free ourselves from all wrongs of life. We need to free ourselves from all wrongs of life, and this is where it is important to understand that this first part is more of spiritual knowledge. Free ourselves from all wrong, and let's continue ourselves on the path of growth and development, because at the end of the day, social customs and issues will prevail, but that will never help us in goodness of our lives. So this is about part 1. Now, what exactly has been mentioned eventually? Of course, Kailash Satyarthi is talking about my journey from the great land of Lord Buddha, Guru Nanak and Mahatma Gandhi, that means from India to Norway, is a connect between 2 centers of global peace and brotherhood, ancient and modern. Friends, the Nobel Committee has generously invited me to present a lecture. Respectfully, I am unable to do that because I am representing here the sound of silence. Now, Kailash Satyarthi says that I am presenting the sound of silence, and I am presenting what? The unheard plea of the deprived. So Kailash Satyarthi is trying to utilize the platform of where he's received this Nobel Peace Prize award. The platform he's trying to utilize to tell the world or to make the world aware that children and education of women and children is the most important thing, because if that is done on a very on nicer level, then only we can take humanity from take humanity out from the clutches of unwanted spirits, evil ideas, and all the wrongs that are happening in society today. The cry of innocence and the face of invisibility. So, the problems of these poor people need to be heard very well. So, Kailash Satyarthi is saying that I am wanting to become that ear to those people who want me to be listened well and who want these things to be cultivated well in the minds of children for growth and development of not just them but of our entire society. And when he says society, he says not just India but entire world, because he is a firm believer of humanity, and humanity is one and all for all the people, all the nations, and entire globe at once. He also does not discriminate between Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus, Lord Hanuman, and Lord Puran as well, because he believed God is one. But just that those are God has been taken in various forms by various religious prescriptions. Humans, we believe in Almighty. The Hindus believe in Hindu gods, Muslims believe in Muslim God, Jewish people believe in Jewish gods, Christians believe in Christian God. But end of the day, the power of Almighty is one and all, is what He wants to tell each and every one of us as readers. Eventually, He says that I refuse to accept that all the laws and constitutions, policies, and judges are unable to protect our children. I refuse to accept that shackles of slavery can ever be stronger than the quest for freedom. I refuse to accept here. My only aim is in my life. So Kailash Satyarthi says my aim in my life is free to be child, free to grow and develop, free to eat, sleep and see daylight, free to laugh and cry, free to learn and play, free to go to school, and above all free to dream. That's what his entire dream in life has been. Okay, he believes that we need to reduce the number of deaths. Now, why does he say so? Let me explain this in detail. Third part of explanation is, students, India में infant mortality rate IMR, this was extremely high. What is the meaning of IMR? Infant mortality rate का मतलब है children dying at the time of birth because of low technology, because of no proper advancements of science. Children dying at the time of birth was extremely high. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता था? People used to be really scared of letting or developing their children because children would die at the time of birth. Kailash Satyarthi says that we have been able to lessen this IMR rate, and if we have been able to lessen this IMR rate, then we believe we need to educate each and every child, because right to education is a fundamental right of every children. Remember everybody, right to education is which right? It's a fundamental right. Okay everybody, so it's a fundamental right. Next one. The biggest challenge or biggest crisis knocking on the doors of humankind is fear and intolerance. Fear and intolerance. एक तो पहली बात, we are fearful of something or the other in our life. We are always scared. If this, what? If that, what will happen? But Kailash Satyarthi says that we got to be absolutely fearless. Let's be fearless, and then we can progress well in life. We can relate this part with the first poem that we have learned, where the mind is without fear. Where the mind is without fear. Is that clear, everyone? Same thing. What has Rabindranath Tagore said there? If our mind is without fear, we can always hold our heads high. Same thing is over here. And second part is intolerance. We should not take unjustified behavior on us. We should always see for the better prospects of life. This is what intolerance is all about. Next one. Next one is talked about. Kailash Satyarthi always says that rights of people, humanity, and education are important. Security and hope is also an important part for development. He is also trying to talk about Malala. Young people like Malala, I have started calling her my daughter Malala, and not just Malala. So my daughter Malala and her two daughters, including and other two daughters, including Kayanat, in fact two Kayanats and Shazia, and daughters from Africa and from all over the world, they are rising up and choosing peace over violence. They are rising up and choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism, and courage over fear. So this is one of the ways of development. Next part 2, he refers that we can do it. You may ask that what can one person do? Can a one person do everything? Maybe yes, maybe no. But can one person be the much required change that we as a society are looking for? Yes, definitely we can. So 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of child labor, and it has happened. So the lesson has also talked about abolition. Okay, lesson talks about what it talks about: abolition of child labor. It talks about abolition of child labor. What does this mean? every child up to the age of 14 years should not be allowed to work, and if this is done so, it's a criminal act. This is right? Yes, because that's a time of learning, educating ourselves. We cannot expect our children to keep on learning, keep on working to match up the needs of the family in the times when they need to learn, educate, free their minds completely. Okay, so this is where part 2 is talking about. It's also mentioned that but there is one serious disconnect, and there is lack of compassion. What is compassion? Compassion is being friendly, pity and concern for those suffering. We should be compassionate. हमको दूसरों के दर्द के बारे में महसूस होना चाहिए. We should be able to understand their pain, try and get into their shoes and understand. That's when we can learn a genuine value, a genuine values of humanity, genuine values of humanity. Okay. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi said, if we are to teach real peace in this world, we shall have to begin with the children. I humbly add, let us unite the world through the compassion for our children. I ask, whose children are they who stitch footballs yet never played with one? Whose children are they who harvest cocoa yet have never tasted chocolate? So, is it not an irony? The people who stitch football, the children who work in football factories, are not able to play football because they cannot afford a football. Children who work in cocoa farms or cocoa farms, they are not able to eat chocolates because they cannot afford that. Is it not this ironical? I am selling books. For example, there is a very poor boy. He's selling books to the children, but he's not able to read on himself. Neither is able to afford education. Is it not very wrong? Yes. Kailash Satyarthi believes let's address these issues first of all, human spirits. Part 3 is talked about. I call upon the governments, intergovernmental agencies, businesses, faith leaders, and everybody, and NGOs as well, and each one of us to put an end to all forms of violence against children, slavery, trafficking, child marriages, child labor, sexual abuse, and illiteracy. These things have no place in any civilized society. It's very wrong. When we call ourselves civilized, we call ourselves developed. And when we call ourselves developed, we call ourselves definitely with the people of sound mind. और जहाँ पे sound mind वाले लोग रहते हैं, you cannot expect the society to become violent, to become absolutely illiterate, or to be turned evil just because they want some ill or some unwanted customs and traditions to prevail in the market. Businesses must be more responsible, accountable, and open to innovative partnerships. It should be global change, and we should come out of business as usual and make more social understandings. And that is why this para typically mentions about what it mentions about. We should become more social and not just and not just typically. We should become more social and not just typically unethical, and not just typically ruthless business, because that will not take us anywhere ahead in our lives. We should be bold enough, take today and take time to change better. I am today and you are today. Today it is a time for every child to have a right to life, education, health, and everything. Today, beyond the darkness, I see the smiling face of my children in the blink of stars. Today, in every wave of every ocean, I see my children are playing and dancing. Today, in every plant, in every tree and mountain, I see my children growing freely. So he believes whatever has to be done, it has to be done compulsorily today. Saint Kabir, a very revered saint from India, he's always been talking about. He's always talked about. कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. You never wait for time to come. You should always plunge on the time. You should always plunge on the time very much. You should be doing things on our own. Let's take initiative and do it for us today. Because when we do it for us, we are not doing just for ourselves, but we are doing it for the humanity, for human spirits. At the end of the day, अगर इंसानियत है तो ही हम हैं, हम नहीं तो इंसान. This is what has the lesson been all about. Okay, so on this backdrop, of course, like every time practice we have been following, we should be going with something called as our activity based questions. Okay, just a brief look into the activities. Of course, you will be given the notes as well. Those notes where you will be having all the activities mentioned. Just a quick fire revision. Name the following. The person to whom Kailash Satyarthi gives the highest credit of his honor is giving the highest credit of his honors to whom? Of course, his daughters. Okay, is giving the highest credit of honors to even all the children and women from all over the world. The greatest personalities from the land of Buddha, Mahatma Gandhi, Gautam Buddha, and the land of saints and poets. So called daughters of Kailash Satyarthi, Malala, is Kayanats, rather two Kayanats, and there is someone also, as we have mentioned over here, Two Kayanats and Shazia. So make sure we understand by reading the lessons main points to underline, which is what I have done, because they might come as a part of complete the following or fill in the blanks. Okay, so and Shazia. The foreign activists of equal rights mentioned in the speech. Foreign activists of equal rights mentioned in the speech. So at the same time, he's talking about two great people. One is Nelson Mandela and the other is Martin Luther King. The Nelson Mandela worked for the same rights of people in South Africa, and Martin Luther King worked for the same rights of people in America, against the rights of black as well, because America was a country which was typically believing in the not casteism but of race, of color, and that's where they used to discriminate people out. So this is activity number one. Activity number two: mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi in his speech. One social issue is given for you. Number one, child labor. Number second, early marriages. That's again one of the problems. Early marriages. Number second. Number third can be an issue of dowry also. Number fourth can be an issue of human trafficking. Human trafficking is wherein humans are purchased and sold for all the needy needs of them. Fifth issue can be, of course, the sexual needs as well. After that, then another issue can be casteism, racism, and abuse. These are the issues which are of social nature. Next activity based question: complete the following diagram based on the chart. The aim in life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child should be free to educate, okay, and learn. The aim is also of Kailash Satyarthi is also of what? Is to make every child knowledgeable today, to give them right to live peacefully, to live with peace, to give them absolute non-violent means in life. Okay, so these are the various factors which Kailash Satyarthi is using in his life as a part to make every child grow and learn better. Next web chart, again important. Let us march for better tomorrow. Let us march for better tomorrow. Let us develop and grow. Let us develop and grow. Let us educate. Let us learn better. Let us learn the dignity of life. Let us respect women and children. So these are the various pie charts or diagrams. Mark it, my dear friends, whenever we have web diagrams, your simple job is to understand the web chart or the web diagram in the most critical fashion. Think and give your own response with the following, the personal response questions. Let's go with this part. Again, important. This comes in the paper as a part of 1 or 2 marks synonym based questions. Okay. Divinity. What is divinity? Divinity is godliness. Extremist is what? Militant. Culminate is to rise to peak, can be there, but culminate is succeed upon something. Exploitation is misuse. Mortality का मतलब है death. Dignity is self-esteem. That's about it. Now, next activity based questions are typical grammar based. We'll be revising it very soon. Noun forms, verb forms. Genuine doubt for each and every student. Sir, noun forms and verb forms is what confuses us. Mark it. This comes under the category of word formation. This comes under the category of word formation. Word formations has got 4 categories. Number 1 is noun. Number 2 is verb. Number 3 is adjective. And number 4 is adverb. So noun, adverb, verb, adjective, and adverb. You can also make it in this fashion, my dear children. You can have noun, adjective, verb, and adverb, because that runs one after the other. Word formations karte samay there is a genuine problem. What is the problem doing during word formations? The problem is when you make noun forms, you treat it something different. It's not. It's not at all different. What is there in noun forms? Whatever word forms a part of your noun is a noun form. Whichever word forms a part of an adjective, that is something which describes more about a noun, is an adjective form. Something which describes more about a verb or something is an adverb, and something which describes like an action word is a verb. So this is how noun forms and adjective forms have to be reminded well. Again, this has been mentioned in my description points for notes. Noun forms: dignified, dignity, pursue, persuasion, poor, poverty, noun forms. Okay. Next one, verb forms. Democracy, always remember verb form should have two. To democratize, hindrance, to hinder, liberty, to liberate. So this is how your adjective, your noun forms and your verb forms come out. Okay. Next one, 8a. Use every words as a noun as well as a verb and make meaningful sentences with each set in your own notebook. What is the meaning of March? What's the meaning of March? One March is a month. The other March is to move on. Honor and honor. I was honored with all the awards. And it's an honor for me to receive an award. So one is a verb, first one is a noun, and the other is a verb. Credit. One credit is amount got credited in my account. That's verb again. And it is up to my credit that we worked better. Noun form. Again, four hidden words given. Again, this comes as a part of an important question which is without an option. It comes in the paper for 2 marks. Intergovernmental में जितने भी 4 letter words hidden है वो अपने को ढूंढने हैं. Number 1 inter. Number 4 number 4 is you can also have the word is govern. Number 5 word is mental. So you can have these words mentioned. Opposite forms. Make meaningful sentences by using, sorry, first is a meaningful sentence by using the following phrases in your notebook. In pursuit of, in pursuit of, in process of. Be afraid of, be scared of. Give up is to accept defeat. Ignorance, opposites now. Ignorance, attentive. Deny is accept. Well known means to be famous. Unknown, simple, unknown. Immortality, word will be mortality. Violence, non-violence. Slavery, freedom. That's about our opposites as well. Next one. So this is again a personal response. What will you do in the following situations? We'll be referring that as well. Now, if you see a child working in a restaurant, it's not right. It's unlawful. You cannot have a child which is less than 14 years working in a restaurant. If you find a child working in construction science, again, it is unlawful. Next one, write 2 words. Next main important thing is, yeah, types of sentences. We have seen in the grammar part as well. Types of sentences में कितने हैं? One is assertive sentence, the other is affirmative sentence, then is an exclamatory sentence, then is an negative sentence, and the last one is an interrogative sentence also. Okay, yes. So say whether the following sentences are assertive, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. The mantra carries a prayer. It's an affirmative. Is the world so poor? Interrogative. Kill not your children because of poverty. Negative. Let's walk together. Let's walk is what? Let's walk is an exclamatory. Either it can be, or to be very clear as per the grammar part, let's walk can be an affirmative. What can one person do? Interrogative. So this is how it can be. This is an exclamatory sentence. This is also an exclamatory sentence. Rewrite the following sentences as assertive statements. Why didn't you come earlier? You should have come earlier. So this is about. So this is, we are making an assertive sentence, a sentence which is made with the use of more positive formation of the sentence. How frightened their eyes look. Their eyes indeed look frightened. How angry it makes me. It indeed makes me angry. So this is an assertive sentences. Next one, activity based. Observe the following underlined phrases. Here, has or have are followed by the past participle form of the verb. This construction indicates the present perfect tense. Find more such sentences from the text. We have made progress. It has happened. We can find simple present perfect a rule. We have seen in the grammar part as well. Has or have plus pp is present perfect. Simple. In the following sentences are underlined words, find more. Wherever the infinitives come, infinitive is like two before the word. It is of course mixed with something called as gerund. What is the gerund? Gerund is an ing form of the word. Clear everybody? Yes. Next one is what? Complete the following sentences with the help of sentence given below. The biggest challenge knocking on the doors of humankind is fear and intolerance. No other challenge knocking on the doors of humankind are bigger than fear and intolerance, or are as big as fear and intolerance are. This is our one is a positive sentence, and the other that I made is a comparative sentence. I have said in the degrees of comparison, every positive sentence travels into comparative as well as in superlative. Every superlative sentence travels in positive as well as in comparative, but every comparative sentence travels only and only in positive degree. Nobel Prize is one of the greatest honors in the world. Very few honors in the world are as great as Nobel Prize is. Is that fine? Yes. Match the sentences given in part A with part B. He was kidnapped by an extremist militia. An extremist militia kidnapped him. क्या है ये बच्चों? ये voice है. Subject plus verb plus object active voice. Object plus verb plus subject is passive voice. The child was forced to kill his friends and family. They force the child to kill his friends and family. We can do this. This can be done by them. Okay, or this can be done by us as well. This can be one of the parts. Next one. Active and passive voice important. We can do it. It can be done by us. Her angry question still shakes me. I am still shaken by her angry question. Clear, everybody? Okay, and now again the speech. 5 marks compulsory question. Writing skills part we'll be discussing later on. Just that you stay tuned with the lessons that have been taught. Stay tuned also with something, the activities that we have been doing. My simple suggestion is go as per the pattern that I'm doing, because in the paper, out of total 80 marks paper, you have something like 52 to 55 marks which come on the base of lessons, activities, and grammar. And I believe if we score good in here, these questions, then out of remaining 25 marks of writing skills, we can, even if we aim up to 18 to 20, still our scores can go up to exact, the scores can go up to 85 to 92 in annual board examinations out of 100. This is what is my expectation, and not just expectation, this is what my belief is. And as I believe, I expect all of you, don't follow me blindly, but stay tuned with the pattern. Get acclimatized. मेरे pattern से आप लोग used to हो जाओ. You'll understand that yes, with lesson learning, we are able to cover with paragraphs, we are able to cover with grammar questions, activity based questions, and excess things which come in the paper. Lessons ठीक से करो. I'm sure your English score of 92 is definitely not a miracle, but it is going to be our reality. So stay tuned, everybody. Thank you so much.